Documentary is on a woman with no arms. Her name is Ruby Escueta, and this is her life. Born with no arms, only the use of her two legs, Ruby has adapted to her everyday life.
Flamingo Fun Club in Linwood, you'll be catching the game on satellite, so you'll be seeing it live at 6 o'clock Monday night at the Flamingo in...
Maybe I should do some more laundry. I only got this much done. What a shame.
We'll be following Ruby throughout the day and taking note of the chores that she takes care of. After a few chores, Ruby makes her bed every morning, just as a normal person would. But Ruby does it with her 2 feet.
Now, let's see, I've done all the laundry. Let's put this over here.
She was born with a very uncommon handicap. It's called no armitis.
Let's use the bathroom. Oh, excuse the mess. I haven't been able to do my chores, so you have to excuse me.
We'll be right back.
I'm almost finished. I guess you can come back in. I'm just washing my feet. You always gotta wash your feet after you're done. I'm hungry. Good morning.
You want to? Here.
Good morning.
Would you, Karen, would you like to go to
Let's see, what should I have for breakfast? There's anything left in there. And I'll just... Well...
As Ruby fixes her breakfast, we're going to take a brief short break.
Sorry, I just woke up.
We're back, and Ruby's sitting down to some breakfast.
Are you? Help me.
Looks like Ruby's having cereal today.
It's like this. You have to come water. She goes, ice cold water. That's good.
After breakfast, Ruby comes down to her billiard room, where one of her favorite pastimes is shooting pool.
And it's very important to get a good break on this. If you don't, it screws up your whole game. Not bad. Last shot. Oh, scratch! Dang, I hate that when that happens.
She meant to do that.
Ah. Well, knock 'em up.